So guys, we have a little tour, guys, and we have here our ice cream machine, and this is our storage. And this is our.
I made this thing at.
And this is our bed. Yeah, bed. And then this is Aki's pool. And then here outside we can all see this pool. This is our pool, my pool and her pool. And then here we have another. Yeah, that's it. Bye. So we have our restaurant. So and this is the tables, and this is the counter.